Hello everybody, this is the March freebie available on my Ko-fi set. Okay, so I shall do a couple of projects of this and go from there. So I think it's 7 pages, I think. So I'll do this, you know, something similar every month. So this is one. I was like lost for words then that's the same. The background the same, but no elements on, so you can put your own elements on it. Yeah, I always think that's handy. And that's the other one. There's slightly yellowy, yeah, yellowy, a little bit pink coming in through, and that's the background. This I done to print on the back of the tags, but still would be nice in a journal, I would say, that way up. Yeah, so that's that. And I have printed on the back of the tags, and then 2 pages of tags which I've printed on the back. Yeah, there. So should be able to make a few projects with that. And I'll speak to you after, because I'm going to keep this video just for short, just to show you what it is, and then I will be doing another video, you know, with using those pages. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoy the little freebie, and speak to you soon. Bye.